Firstly, I am sorry for my voice because I got cold. I will continue my cutted hexagon prism. To do that, I need firstly construct a regular hexagon, and the center of hexagon should be this point. And firstly, I should choose my plane with on this point like that. Now I need a perpendicular line like that, and I now create my prism, my pyramid, sorry, like that. It is not enough for me because I should cut these pyramids. To do that, I choose 2 points on this plane, and I should choose a point with using shift like that, and it should be perpendicular to this plane. Now I can create my angle by choosing this point, and I need one more point on this plane. Now I can create my lines like that, and the other one should be like that. Now I should create my plane. This plane should own these lines at the same time, and we can see that I cut my pyramid. Now final operation is cutting these pyramids with this plane. Now I have my cutted pyramids, and it is enough for me. Now I can hide my unnecessary things. I can hide these lines, of course. Sorry, it is hard to choose. I should hide this angle also. Now I can continue my plane. My pyramid is changeable. It's okay. Now I can create my new line like, sorry, it is not on this plane. My first line is this, and I will a parallel line. I will create a parallel line like that. Now I can create my plane with by using this line and this line. Now I should create a circle on this and by using my point on hexagon. It would be like that, and I should find my intersection points. I should choose firstly my circle, but it is not easy. Okay, I found my intersection points like that. Now I can hide my plane. It is okay. Now I should create a new circle like that. I should use this point. This circle is important for me because we will expand this on this circle. Now I should do some new operations. I should find my length of these sides. Only one result is enough for me because all sides are equal. Now I should find a point on this circle for all points on the hexagon. So this point is for that point. Now I should find the other point on the circle. I will find these points by using measurement transfer. To do that, I should choose my circle firstly, and then these points, and I should click on Control button to change the side of point. My first point is this, and I should do that for 2 times. I will use the same operations. I should choose circle this point and this, and it was for that point, and this would be for that point. Now I have enough points on this side, and I should find 2 more points on that side. Now I should do the same operations but for that point, and again for this. I found my points like that. Now I should create a slider, and it would be necessary for me. To do that, I should create a line on this point, and it should be perpendicular also, and I should choose perpendicular firstly, like that on this point, and I should create a point on that line, on that line, and it would be a segment like that. Now I can hide my line. Now I should find I need a point on this segment like that. Now I need distance between these 2 points. It is 3.9, and I need the other distance, this and this. It is 2/7. I need a result between 0 and 1. To do that, I should add a calculation. It would be A divided by B. The result would be between 0 and 1, like that. It is enough for me. This result can be here. Now I should create an arc. To do that, I should choose a point on this line, on this circle also. I couldn't choose a line on this circle. It is so hard. I couldn't choose. on circle. Yes, I choose this and I can take this here. And my arc would be between these 3 points, like that. And I should hide my point. And I can hide this circle because I use this effectively, and I can have my arc here. Now I should length of this like that. Now I should find my length of this arc, and this arc result should be here. And I need a new calculation, and it would be my arc length times my result. It would be my new result, and throughout these results I should do measurement transfer with on this circle, this point, and these results. Now I found my points on the arc, and it is changing with my results. Now I don't need my circle. I don't need my circle and also this arc. This point is enough for me. Now I should do this operation for the other point. Now I can use my circle again. My new circle should be like that. This point. Sorry, I couldn't choose. This point. This point and that point. I'm not sure it is really true. Yes, it is true. It should be like that. And now I need my arc again. I should create my arc like that. And I should hide my point. Now I need the arc strength. Sorry, it shouldn't be calculator. Sorry. Why? Hmm. Why this choose calculator? I need to choose length. Tamam. Okay, length. I should find the arc's length. Yes, it is 4.1. It would be like that. And I should create a calculator again. And I should multiply this length with my result, my first result. It would be like that. And my new result would be this. And I will do the same measurement transfer on this line, on this circle, from this point with this result. And I now have my second point, and this 2 point is changing at the same time. And again, I don't need my circle and my arc. These points will be enough for me. Now I should create my third circle. My circle is here, and these would be like that. This circle, this point, and that point. And again, I will do the same operations for this circle. Now I should create an arc again, like that. I will hide this point again, and I will measure my arc. Of course, it is too high. I'm not sure it is arcs. I should delete this and I should find again length. It is choosing, yes, it is choosing arc now. That was the length of circle, 7 over 7.9, and I should add a calculation again, and I should multiply the length between my result, and my result is that, and I should create my point with measurement transfer, and I will choose my circle, my point, and my result. Now I can see that I have 3 points and it is changing at the same time. Now I can hide my circle again, circle and arc again, sorry, because there are too crowded. I couldn't choose my arc. Okay, I can choose, I'm not choosing this result. I should hide these results because it is too much, like that. Okay, now I have my points. Now I should create my line segments like that. Sorry, it's not correct. Like that. And the other one should be like that. Now I can see that this is changing like that. What I want is that. Now I should create a plane with this line by using this line and it should be between sorry, it should be on that line and other line like that, and I should reflect my this segment in this plane like that, this segment in this plane, and of course this segment in this place. Now I have a line segment like that. I should change and I can see coordinates is not important for me. I couldn't change the point. Firstly, I should hide my plane, and I couldn't change. It started to select in these points like that. Now I should find my segments lengths. Length of this side is 3/8, and it would be like that. I should use measurement transfer again. This plane, sorry, measurement transfer. I should do measurement transfer and using I couldn't select, sorry. I can hide unnecessary parts. I can hide this line, this circle also, and I can show that just this line segment is important for me, so I can hide my points. It's not important for me. Now I should create my line segments for all points. I should create a line also like that, sorry, I couldn't choose that, and that, and finally like that. And now I should find my these sides lengths, and I found this also is in here. I should do measurement transform on this line using this line segment, using on this line, sorry, a measurement transfer on this line with this point and using this data, and I should create my line segment, and I can hide my line. Okay, and then I should use the same method for all sides. Now I should find this length, and this length is 3, and I will use this on for this point on this line, and for this point, and this it will be like that. And I should create my line segment again, and I should hide my line. Okay, and for this I should find these lines, these segments length, and it would be 2.6, and I will use the same method for this line with this point, and by using this data I can create, no, it's not, okay, where is my point? I couldn't choose my point. Measurements on this line with this point and with 2 over 6, 2.6, and I will create my segment like that, okay, and I will use the same thing, and I don't have to use the same thing for this, because this line would be the same for this operation, because it is not changing, it is all the same. So I can choose I should choose also, I'm not sure, for this line I should find this line, I couldn't choose. I should hide my line segment, and I should find firstly this length, 3.3, and I'm not sure what is 10 over 6, 3 and 3, and now I should create my, I should hide, I'm not sure what I should do. Now I should create my line segment again, my line again, and like that. And now I can create my point measurement transfer on this line by using this point and that point, and I can create my line segment. I'm not sure what is that. I couldn't choose. Selection is too hard. Now I can use my, actually I don't need a new point for that, so I can create my line segment easily, and I should create my, I should find my length again for this. This is 4, and I should measurement transfer on this line with this point and sorry, measurement transfer on this line by using this point and 4. Now I can create my line segment. Sorry. Measurement on this line by using this point and this also, and I can create my new line segment, and it would be like that, and I can check this and I can hide my line segments. These points, and it is changing. There is no problem. Now I can do the same operations for the other parts. Now length again, and it was about for that, and I should create some new data. This would be 4/1, and I can take this here. Now I should create my new point by using the same method, measurement transfer, this line, this point, and this. Now I can create my segment again, like that. Okay, and I should finally will create my the last part, but the last part would be my the same. I will use the same site with this segment, so I can use my first data for that. Now I can measurement transfer on this point by using 3/6, 3.6, and now I have my line segments, and I can hide these lines also. Now I can see that I have a expansion like that. Now I could connect this line segment, this line segment. Sorry, this is line. I should use segment, 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 and segment between these points, between that points. I should change this data. I should create, sorry, I couldn't select easily this point with this point. Now I have a expansion like that, but I couldn't choose again my points. It is hard to select. Now it would be like that, but we have some problems. We couldn't open the top of my hexagon prism. So I should find some new methods for that. I will continue. Now I should create a line between these points like that, and I should find the midpoint of these points, these and that point. And now I should find the length of the midpoint. I couldn't choose the midpoint, this point and the midpoint, but length, it is not length, it should be distance, this point and sorry, sorry, it should be distance, and I should find this like that. Now it is 1.2, and I should find new calculation like 1 over 2 multiply with my result. It would be like that, and I should create a measurement transfer on this line from this point by using this result. And it would be like that, and I can hide my line and that point. Now I have my point like that. This point is important for expansion of my top surface. Now I should use my used part. Firstly, I should create a line between this point and that point, and I should show my all hidden objects, and you should remember that we use a line at the beginning of my work. This is my mentioned line, and I should show this, and I have my line, and I should do some changing on my line, on my hexagon. It should be like that. Now I should find the parallel of my showing line, and it should be on this point. Now I can create my plane by using these lines. Now I have my plane like that. Now I can create a polygon. It is my top surface. I couldn't choose exactly. Sorry. I shall choose my top surface of hexagon. It is hard to choose, of course. This point I choose, and I can reflect my polygon by using my new plane. I couldn't reflect this. Of course, it is hard to do that. I choose a different one. I choose again. I should choose again what I'm doing. I don't really know. Now I should choose reflection, this plane, and this polygon, like that. And if I check this, I saw that I couldn't do that. It's not happened. I think I shouldn't choose polygon. Should I reflect the line segments? Reflect. I will continue. I found my problem. I choose a wrong line to create my line, my plane, and I should create a new line like that, this point, that point, and I should use my plane like that. Where's my plane? Plane. Plane should be on this line and this line. Now I can do my reflection. Now I can create my polygon again. Like that, and I can reflect this by using this plane, and that's okay. Now it should be changing. That's okay. Now I can hide my unnecessary parts. Hide. And it should be hide. And this plane should be hidden. And of course my planes should be hidden. And of course lines is not important for me. Distance is not important. These points is also not important, and also these points. Now I can say that my polygon is okay. Now I should create polygons for all sides and should color these, but my video is too long and I will do this This is an easy part for that, and I will do this later. You will see all work on my blog. I think that's okay. And my final work is like that, and we can see that this is working, and it's okay. Thank you for listening.